Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change iPhone control center. If you're using any iPhone and you want to change your iPhone control center, so let's see how can you do that. So very first you have to open your settings app, and then you have to go for general. You have to make sure that you're connected to internet, then go for software update, and you have to make a software update if you find any software update here. And after that you just have to scroll down and you will get your control center. So basically there's no any way to change your control center, but you can easily customize your control center. So simply tap on the plus option in the top left corner and you'll find this type interface. Now you have to delete icons from here if you want to delete, or you can add a more controls. Simply tab on add a control option and then select the control which you want to add on your control centers. For example, I'm going to select this one, so simply tap on it and it will be added. If you want to delete anyone, you can tap on the minus option here and it will be deleted. And once you have done, you just have to tap on an empty place and your control center is ready now. So in this way, you can easily change or customize your control center on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.